Keep your mind wide open. I am worried for my kid's future. He is absent-minded. Hey, where are you? Again, the same mistake. Useless. Think before you act. All these sentences are related to carelessness. One can find a lot of parents worried about their kids due to this. Now, the question arises how it develops in one. Some are sluggish by nature, which constitute the majority. Some become lazy due to some neurological disorder. But one must be a good firefighter. It's curable, even if from birth. Taking daily exercise, playing computer games, competing on self, touching the new heights of perfection day by day, meditation on oneself. One can know that he is lazy or not by noticing the following. He will be frequently encountered by sentences mentioned in the start. He will not be good in sports. Frequent thoughts in his mind. Absent-minded. Living in tough environment like broken homes. Dehydrated and quarrelsome environment. How can one increase his focus, reminding oneself again and again that no absent-mindedness, as one deviates from being present in one's environment? Improving progress in one's occupation. Inculcating in one's mind that my destination is far behind the stars. One can cure this by making their hearts lively. It is not acceptable in this marathon world. One should keep his heart and mind totally pure. I would end by saying that if you got this problem, then there is no need to worry after watching this video. Subscribe my channel to appreciate me and for watching more such videos and make a step towards improvement with each video.